seized from his possession. Following the assault on Dr. Alok Singh, assistant professor at Nehu, the university has decided to form an inquiry committee to investigate the incident. Professor Davidson Pingrope confirmed that while no time frame has been set for the probe, the administration strongly condemns the attack. Professor Pingrope stated that the matter was brought to their attention on Thursday evening, but the identities of those involved remain unclear. The incident has raised concern about campus security, prompting calls for swift action to ensure the safety of faculty members.
On behalf of the university and the administration, we condemn such kind of violence inside the university campus, and we assure that the security of the teaching fraternity as well as the students is of utmost importance to the university administrators. From the side of the university, a committee will be formed to form an inquiry committee which will look into the matter, what happened and what result, why such kind of incident happened in the university camp.
Hat Jinkursio Jagruthi Mela